Hi friends, welcome to this channel. And in today's video, I will show you and tell you how you can very easily fix the situation when your iPhone does not send a message to your Android device. Please don't forget to subscribe to our channel, put your likes, also write your comments. And let us get started with you. And to do that, open up your phone settings on your iPhone. Then scroll down until you find Messages. Scroll down. And next, as you can see, I have. As I think you have as well, iMessage is enabled by default. And what you'll need to do is turn it off. Because this feature, it can hinder and prevent you from sending messages from iPhone to Android. After you disable this feature, you can try again. Just in case, I also recommend you to reboot your iPhone device after disabling this feature. After that, it sends a message to Android. Friends, this is the simple way you can try to fix the situation when your iPhone is not sending message to Android. I hope this video has helped you. Please friends, subscribe to our channel, put your likes, write your comments and see you soon.